We're gonna start a riot.
This is Atomic Vision 13, bringing you another Minecraft video, and this time you guys have made a Minecraft craft bucket server for the Mac. So this I'm doing it right now on the current 1.2.5 version of Minecraft, and I forgot what version of Craft Bucket is, but we will see soon. So we're going to open up Safari, and I'll have a link to all this stuff in the description, and I'm going to type in Craft Bucket Wiki, and we're going to the Craft Bucket Wiki, and right here let's go to main page, and right here you just scroll down to latest downloads and click Craft Bucket recommended build. So just go to the Minecraft Wiki main page and click recommended build, and start downloading. I tested this out before, and I also put some plugins onto my server, so that's what that is. I should clear it before I start, but sorry. And while that's downloading, we should make a new folder, and we're gonna call it whatever you really want. I usually call it server, and those ones under it are the ports, and because I don't really port forward using 25565 because I've used that on other servers. And if you use one, you cannot use one port more than once. So I'll show you how to change your ports and all that to whatever port you feel like, and then just drag this. So now we're gonna get the downloaded Craft Bucket and drag it into the server folder, and then we are gonna go back to the Minecraft Wiki, and we are going to go to the start your own server on the tutorial, and scroll down to Mac OS X. And copy and paste this thing right here. It's kind of hard to see because it's not highlighted or anything, but this little bin bash thingamajigger, I'm going to copy that, and we're going to minus out of this, or whatever, and open up a new text edit. And then we're going to paste what we just copied out of the Minecraft Wiki into the new text edit that we just opened right now. And you should have this right now. You should have this into the text edit, okay? And then you click formats, and then make plain text, or you can click up Command T to do it. That's another way to do it. So just click it and OK, and it should now look like this. Now we're gonna click X. We're gonna do a little record sort of looking thing, and then click save, and we're gonna call it server.command. I'm going to save it to the desktop, okay? And then we're going to go, we're going to drag this into the server folder. Oops. We're going to open up the server folder, and we're also going to change this craft bucket. I forgot to say this. Change this before you do anything. Delete this little part in front of the craft bucket thing. And then we're going to X out of the server, and we're going to go to terminal, which you can find through the finder by just typing in TERNIMAL, or wait, did I spell it wrong? Oh, terminal, I'm stupid. Terminal like that, okay? And then we're going to open up this, and we're going to type in chmod. Now, once you have this thing open, you type in chmod like that, a plus x space, and then we're going to open up this server file again. You get the server.command, and we're going to drag this right there, okay? Then we're going to type enter. We're going to click enter, and oh, sorry, I typed it wrong. A plus X. Once again, for those people, if you guys missed it, do not do CHOMD. Sorry, it's chmod like this. I'm so sorry for that little mishap there. I'm going to drag this back in here and type enter. Wait, oops, enter. There we go. Now, we have just given, what we just did was we gave permission to the server.command to open on the computer. So you have to do this. Yeah. So let's X out of that and open up this, and you should see all these warnings and infos and stuff. Do not worry about all the warnings. And right here it's showing the spawn, but yeah, don't worry about the warnings. We'll fix that later. I'll show you what we're gonna do. But right now it is making the worlds. World 0 is the world that you normally play in. That's Nether, I believe, and that's End. I forgot which one's which. And then, yeah, now we're going to type in stop, and we're going to enter that in and let it save. And we're going to close out of here. And you should get all this stuff in your server. Okay, and then you're going to go into server.properties, and we're going to change this stuff around. And I forgot to tell you guys, you guys should download Log Me In Hamachi, or Hamachi, as most people say. Just download that. I'll show you the page where you can go download that at. Right here. Oops. And then download Log Me In Hamachi right here. I'll have a link to this in the description. And you just click it, and you're going to download the unmanaged version. You're just going to download that. I already downloaded it. And just download that. It might take a little bit. It'll open up a little unpackaging thing and all that. It's okay. You can trust Hamachi. It's something, it's not a big deal to download on your computer. So, so now you're going to open up Log Me In Hamachi. And you are going to see, well, like if you're brand new, it shouldn't have this, it should be like that, and then you just click it, and it should log you in and all that, and get you your server IP. So what your IP is if you look at all this stuff, is right here. It's not this stuff after the dash, it's just this 51.50 thing right here. So I'm going to type, so now you're going to type this into server.ip 233.69. And now one thing I have to change for my computer, you might not have to if this is your first time doing the server on your entire computer, but if you have done it before, you can change the server to really anything you want. For this one, I'll do it as 45000. And one thing with the server port is it has to be 5 digits, and it cannot go over 80,000. Okay, and then all the stuff like, just go through here. So allow Nether, pretty straightforward. So you could do false or true. Level name, nothing really, doesn't change anything. Enable query, have no idea. Allow flight, straightforward. Level type, that's pretty straightforward also. Enable Archon, no idea what that is. Level seed, then the max build height. You can set that down to make your server less laggy, which I like to do, to 150. Spawn NPCs, whitelist, spawn animals, all that kind of stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to X out of here, and you're going to save it. And you have just made your server. Now I should open this thing up again. Let it load. And it's just say done. And now you're just going to, ooh, sorry, my throat is getting very dry. So we're going to open up Minecraft now, and I like to bring this right here so I can, because what we're going to be focusing on is right here, that little thing, so I highlight that. That's not the sign in real quick, guys. Okay. Logging in. So I'm using the Sphax Pure BD Craft. It's really nice one. I'm using it on the 128, and let's add the server, and we're gonna call it our server. That's gonna be the name of the server, our server. We're gonna type 5.150.233.69 colon 45000. And you've got to type that part in if you have multiple servers, such as I do, because I've got the same, I've got the same IP address, so I can't just type in like only this part, because it would not work, because these servers also run with that same one. So yeah, so we're gonna click done, and we're just gonna get into the server. And here we are, we have made it into the server. If you had any problems, just comment in the description, and I'll answer your questions. And as you can see, I've made 3 servers just today, actually. This is really easy, really fun. And to install plugins, I'm going to show that to you right now. So if you don't really want plugins at first, you just kind of want to mess around with your friends, then do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys also, OP yourself, so type OP, and then my name is ZombieChez13, and then I'm now op. As you can see, a little server message pops up right there. So slash, and yeah, oops, sorry, incorrect. Okay, so now I am in creative mode. I can fly around and stuff. Yeah, once you have to op yourself, don't forget that, because then you can't really do anything. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to get plugins on your server. It's very easy. Let's stop the server for now while I'm doing this. Okay, and process completed. Sweet. So we're gonna actually, let's do this first. We should also highlight this, I recommend, so you don't forget. Highlight it green, and I'll highlight the server as orange, and I will rename it. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, there we go. 4500. That's my port. I always put the port after. So then we're going to go here, go to Craft Bukkit, and go to the Craft Bukkit forums, and I'll probably have a link to the page with the plugins also in the description. Don't worry about that. And we can let's just get World Edit, so I can show you something about downloading plugins that kind of confused me at first, even though it is very easy. Sorry. So then I just download that, and let's X out of this. World Edit is a very useful thing. I love World Edit. It's my favorite plugin, definitely. So now we're going to open up World Edit and get the worldedit.jar and drag it into the plugins. Most of them just come with the .jar, and all you do is just drag it into plugins. But sometimes it'll come with a folder like Essentials did, and you'll have to open it up and drag the .jar into there. And some you also need the rest of the folder to go with it. But now you've got the plugins in there, and now when we reload the server, it should, yeah, it loaded World Edit, loading World Edit version 5.3, and now I've got World Edits. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, of course, just tell me in the comment section below, and I will answer them for you, of course. This is very quick and easy, and you can make as many servers as you want as long as it's not on the same port. So you can make up to 80,000 servers, large possibilities, very quick and easy. So this was Comic Laser 13. Bye bye.